Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change account password on Binance. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Binance application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, of course, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Binance. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom, we have the Markets tab, we have the Square tab, we also have the Buy, Sell, Convert, and Deposit tab, the Discover, and the last one is of course the Portfolio tab. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change account password on Binance. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you now. So first of all, log into your Binance account, and then click on your email in the top right corner and select security. So basically how you can do that is click on the top left corner on the icon of Binance, and here you just need to click on the arrow here, as you can see underneath the top right corner. Click there, and as you can see we have the security tab. There, when you click on the security tab, click change password button, and then enter your current password, and then enter your new password twice. So you'll be asked to enter it twice, so they will know that you are putting the correct password 2 times. And that's basically how you can do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.